Today we're going to be making paperback turkeys. First, we're going to paint it with the paint stick. First, we're going to do the head. You can color the head if you want to, but I'm not going to. We're using paint sticks. You can use markers or pencils or whatever. Once you've done that, oh wait, I need to do the eyes. Okay. Once you've done that, you can do the rest of the body. Okay. Once you've done that, you can do the wings. Once you've done the wings, you can do this or this, doesn't matter. Do the feathers. Now you can cut it out. Okay, now that I've cut it out, I'm just going to put this side and cut out this. The head. Okay. The foot. Okay. Now do the wings. Now we're going to take our paper bag and open it up. Now you can use a puppet if you want to. And connect your head right here, like that, and then connect the body right there. But if you don't want to, you can just do it this way, the way we're doing it. First you open the bag, then you get tissue paper. And make sure you don't crumble it up too small, because then it'll work. Then stuff the tissue paper in. Over the top of the bag and fold it down like that. Then you staple it. Okay. head and glue it right there. Okay. Then the body. Like that. Then the wings. Then the feet. Then this part, the feathers, you glue it to the back. Oops, my wing fell off. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Now we're just gonna wait. Happy Thanksgiving! Bye, stars!
Bye.